channel you're watching this from, I'm his son. And I didn't even know this till just now. So we're going to make a video for you guys. So right now, this is my cousin. Her name is Kenzie and Gracie. And by the way, y'all should go check their YouTube channel out. It is good. Okay, so we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you something we're doing. We're actually doing this. We were doing this, and yeah, I'm outside. So, yeah, we're creating eggs, and they have to be dry to be done. Yeah, we gotta wait a little bit. Yeah, feisty. This is already the longest video that my dad's ever done from me. Hey, guys. This is my cousin. I already checked him. Oh, what? Because of Brandy was. This is how we go. Okay, so we are gonna make a video. I'm already making a video.